Good morning, good morning. Good morning po. Good morning to everybody. We are 7 months now as a blogger. So, thank you so much. Thank you, great people. And also take this opportunity to thank you all for our new subscriber and the old subscriber. Thank you. I am so happy my YouTube is growing and my subscriber, wow, more than 100 na po. 137. For this month, a lot of increase of my subscriber. Thank you po. At sa lahat po ng nagmamahal at patuloy na nagmamahal pa rin. By the way, gusto ko po kayong batiin ng Happy Easter po. Holy Week po, lalo na sa Pilipinas ngayon. Napakalaking day po ng Easter. So, hope masayang-masaya kayo at patuloy na nagdarasal para sa ating bansa. And I'm also praying for Malaysia that we can overcome the crisis that we are facing right now. So, mga Pilipinos, kapit lang po. We can survive. Just trust on Him. Ika nga. So, guys, yun lang po. At as usual po, marami pang dapat matutuhan. So many things to learn more. But I'm happy that I'm growing. My YouTube is growing. So that's all. Happy. Appreciate it all. Salamat po. Thank you very much. More subscriber, more viewers, more watchers. So, happy 7th anniversary, Mansaries. Wow! Tagal na po natin, di na tayo bago. So, kahit anong crisis pa dumaan, we are still standing. So guys, thank you po. Thank you. It's me, G Macora. Like and share. Also comment down below. Thank you. Bye.